Hey traders, hey, I want to go over this trade of the day of full access room. First losing day trade in a while, probably 3 weeks, so we're kind of due for one of those. Probably could have gotten it back. It's just not a lot of energy. We were short down here into the lows. I mean, this had a huge move overnight in the Asia session, and we just wouldn't release. There was probably a chance to flip and go long here and maybe make that back. But oh well, gave back 1,000. I'll just do a walkthrough on that. So, well, here's the 30-minute. So we came in this morning in London, right around here. We just missed this move down. So literally, we came in at the low of the move, and it was just a one-way street all night long. So we were aware of that, but the thing is, you're just not sure if this has another leg down at that point. So typically. Typically, guys, we call this a real money candle. It's one of the largest candles on the chart. And this is the start of the move. This is towards the end of the move. So when you get these moves at the end after a lengthy run, that's usually more of a sign of exhaustion. It's not exactly an igniting bar that starts off the move like this or this. Just is what it is. You also didn't have any follow through, which is a good sign that um, the market's going to go back the other way. But in the moment, when you come in, the cycle was just had reversed back down, so we went with the short right here. And here's the 15-minute chart. Oh, that doesn't show us much extra. The 50-minute cycle was down also, and then the 5-minute, we sold here. I covered into the low, covered into lower lows, and then started reshorting into this bounce. And we had bids scaled in here below the market, and they just wouldn't. It just wouldn't release. So we had bids all down here, and it just didn't get. It just wouldn't crack. And then I took some off here on this candle above the bands. I reshorted after because when you stop out, guys, and it ends up being the high of the move, and then that it reverses, we just get back in short. And this could easily follow through lower. Covered some, reshorted, covered, and then here was a quick pop. I sold into that, covered some, and every time I would cover, I couldn't get that next leg of profits. So finally, right here, I just called it quits right before this last move up. So not really anything wrong as far as trading goes. It's just happened to be late within a longer term move, and now you're getting the squeeze. So I would be playing this on the long side if I was trading the rest of the day here. But overall, a nice day on our core positions. I mean, we've been long the dollar, had some great calls here, dollar peso, dollar lira, dollar Swissy, dollar CAD, all along there, and having a big day actually in the core positions. So here the euro covered into the lows this morning. Let's see what else. Came in short cable, covered into the lows down here. Let me go to a higher time frame for you. Okay, we're selling into this rally, covering into the lows today. But really, some nice dollar had a nice move. I mean, we've been talking about the dollar index probably making the long-term high or low around 99.5. That's exactly what happened so far this week. I bought some dollar peso here, sold that out today. Same trade on the lira. All right, nice buys yesterday. Had a great run today. Here's the dollar Swiss trade. It doubled my position today. It was long here, right into pi. I doubled this position. I want to see if this can take off. And this is just the main call that we've had. This is the dollar index. This is the daily. I've been talking about this higher low, this location for 2 weeks now, and we've held it so far. So if you can get this to continue the rest of the week, take out this high, the euro gets through 106. Um, that's going to be very bullish for the dollar, bearish for the euro, etc. So anyway, guys, this is just a little bit from the active trader room. That's my short pound yen. We're just going through the progression here, covering euros this morning in London. All right, had a nice morning there, a couple grand. It's a small course short. Been slowly unwinding that. Same thing, euro versus New Zealand dollar. That's been a course short, taking 1,300 bucks there. Dollar Swissy, that's me signaling, doubling my position, covering on cable. So this is all in the real-time alerts, guys. And when you learn to work your positions on a longer term and swing time frame, trade around your core position on a swing time frame basis, you know, you can have nice days like this on 400,000 lots in Forex, all right? So losing day on the day trade side, took some Dow futures off here. We remained bullish in stocks. Been just nailing it on U.S. stock indices. Been long the Nasdaq, been long the Dow. This is my day here on the peso. So that's real money, guys. Apple, look at this. I mean, these are nice gains. All right, and then here's, I haven't had a losing day on the day trade side, but gave a grand back, so it was a pretty good winning streak. We'll see if I can make that the only losing day trade morning of the month. We'll see. All right, guys, if you want to join our team, you want to learn to trade like this, we'll teach you the model. And just go to jenkinsrm.com. You can join our team right here under services. This is our full access trading team. Click here to learn more. It's not for everybody, but I think it's the best way to learn. I mean, this model is institutionally forged. I built this trading Forex, covering all the primary dealers, a lot of hedge funds, and then trading cash treasuries. So is what it is there. Here's our real-time alerts product, and then this is just some training on the overall model. You don't get to be in our 24/7 room. We don't trade together. You don't have access to me, but if you want to, you know, this is some great study work or coursework. All right, guys. Look forward to seeing you in the room, and I'll also be doing a I'll be doing a webinar tomorrow afternoon for scheduled for 1 Eastern, and I'll be answering some of your questions. A lot of new people, and we'll just continue to build out this team on a global scale. All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of your trading day.